Hey everybody, welcome here again. In this course, I'm going to uh, uh, tell you about a tool which is easily available on the kalilinux repository. It means you can easily install with the single command only in the root mode. And that tool is for the image editing, and it is completely free and it is an advanced tool. So you need to just open the root terminal or give the root permission to normal terminal and then type in apt install GIM and P GIMP, then press enter. So you can see it is already installed because I recently installed it. Now let me show you how these tools look like and what is the purpose of this tool. So for this I need to go to download and find a picture here. Like this is a picture, this one. So let's see, I open this image, open with image manipulation engine like G and U. I choose this option. This is GIMP that you type here in the terminal, GIMP. So here is the picture and these are the options like same Adobe Photoshop. You have many more editing options. This is not the Adobe Photoshop. This is the Linux editing editor, but it is completely free and you can install with a single command apt install GIMP, GIMP. You can see you have layers, colors, tools, filters option, exposure, settings, and almost all the option almost that you have in the Adobe Photoshop. And in some cases this is better than the Adobe Photoshop, and in some cases Adobe is better than this tool. So that's it for this lecture. See you in the next video.